So that's how you can create a mega announcement bar in your Squarespace website. It is a simple yet powerful tool to showcase your promotions and updates. In this video, I will walk you through how to create the announcement bar in the footer using some custom codes. So let's get started. Before diving into the code, let's first design the announcement bar content within the footer itself. This is where your announcement text and any link or call to action buttons will live. You will be able to pull this content into the announcement bar dynamically. Go to your footer section and start adding the content you want to show in the bar. You can add any text, image or buttons here just like you would for any other section for your site. This makes it incredibly easy to customize the announcement bar with the exact content you want. Click on Edit Site Footer, click on Edit Section and add a blank section. For this example, I am adding a simple message. Click on Add Block, click on Text. Let's say big sale this weekend. All items 50% off. You can of course replace this with any announcement text that suits your needs. If you want to include a link or a button, feel free to add that here too. I'm also adding a button here to drive engagement. Click on Add Block, take a button and link it with your shop. Click on Add Block. Now I'm going to add an image as well. This can be a great way to boost conversions by immediately grabbing the visitor's attention. Click on Save. And the next thing is we are going to copy some custom CSS and paste it in this section. And click on Save. Now, let's add the JavaScript that will allow the bar to open and close smoothly when clicked. This script also pulls the content we add to the footer and display it dynamically. Here your announcement bar text, you can add your own text over here. To trigger the functionality of announcement bar, we are going to change the section footer ID over here. You can find the section ID by clicking on Squarespace ID Finder. There you have ID Finder over here. Copy this code. And we need these numbers only. And replace it with these numbers. And click on Save. And that's how you can design and implement a fully customizable mega announcement bar in your Squarespace website footer. It's a great way to grab attention and deliver important messages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Squarespace tips and tricks. I will see you in the next video.